Tanganzo Yarab Tso, but we got to walk on that path there on that hill. But the grassland in the middle of the desert. The grassland. There's cows. We got sticks there. We got to go on top. Yeah. We got to climb on top here. We're still climbing. The view. It's just majestic. I think we're almost there. Wow, there's the lake. There is the lake. Beautiful. Okay, finally we are here. Thaleso Lake la. Lake, the Camel Mountain. It's very peaceful and calm here. So calm into there. Nobody's here except me and Gombo. So Yarab Tso gi sala leso. The Yarab Tso. So this lake Yarab Tso, we are very near. We're going to take a circle around this lake. Yarab Tso gi importance di laro chida.
The Shama Gilawani, tour operator in Palace, de la Wish Lake Railers.
Allah.
Melam Yapu Ganar was Sutsavela Majig Rail or so.
Allah.
Tatana each gordo. Television Kuparichi Gap. And this is Gabani Mark.
Thank you. Meditation chisa khamwa chitu de samba gi nang do de. This looks like a meditation cottage for, well, this, I'll show you inside if it's open. Keep the door closed. Wow, look at that wonderful yogi. Yogi, this is around. Kundagi for Chito.
Should have changed it.
Meditation, she said. True magic. This is a donation box. There is His Holiness's picture there. Some butter lamps. You could basically meditate here. 디 가리 그럼 디 가리라서
Chinse tasa.
Chinse tasa. Nunda sapapa. this side. So that is Denny. Apple Thiktsey. We're gonna take a rest here and have an apple. Malam juga isa. Zamuling Tsangma Shanti. Live and let live. To the